What is good, YouTube? We got a fantastic one today. Sneaker content is back on the channel. It's been about almost 2 months since the last time. I'll have it down in the description. The last time we did something was the Air Jordan 1 OG neutral gray, and thank you for coming to watch for this video if you've made it. We are doing today a special sneaker unboxing and review. My favorite shoe of all time, my ultimate grail, the Lebron 8 South Beach. They finally brought this back. Shout out to Nike. This did actually retro about a month and a half ago, and I got lucky on a surprise restock on Nike Canada. Shout out to also Soul Savvy, my guys there. Appreciate you so much. Now I have my grail, favorite shoe ever. I now own that, so I'm really grateful for you guys. It's a great community you guys have built, and I'm like indebted to you guys for life now that I have that, and definitely be riding with you for the next little while. But yeah, the Lebron 8 South Beach, it means a lot to me. Like I said, it's my favorite shoe and stuff. So like this shoe, I remember the decision, and you know him, LeBron James going to Miami, taking his talents to South Beach. You know the whole hoopla and stuff. He goes there, he does wear these shoes at his first press conference in Miami. That's when I first seen him. Going crazy, all the sneakerheads at the time going absolutely nuts. They're limited. Their OGs in my size go for like 1,000 plus and stuff, and there was a lot of fakes at one point. You're kind of like playing Russian roulette, but like I said, pretty limited and stuff, and he did a great job, I guess, marketing it. I remember I seen YouTubers like wearing them. I thought it was the coolest thing ever and stuff. But as far back as high school, in the computer lab, we'd just be doing nothing and stuff. I'd be surfing the web and then on Flight Club and stuff, and I'm looking at LeBron 8 South, like, oh fuck, I love this shoe. I want this one day. I gotta find a way to get this. And all these years later, 11 years later from the original release, and since high school, at least like 6-7 years. So it's crazy. Super happy to have these, and I can't wait to start talking about it. But yeah, here are the shoes. You know, the box, beautiful as a regular Lebron 8 box. It's got a LeBron with the lion, obviously the King James, the GOAT. We love you, LeBron. Got the Nike logo on the bottom of the box. You got just the swoosh and all that, LeBron James, LeBron 8 there, and then the Nike logo again. And you got right here the Nike swoosh with the side with the tag Nike LeBron 8 QS retro / black - pink flash. Got these in a size 13. So if you're wondering for sizing, by the way, sizing, Angelo, put it right here, sizing. So with bronze, like I already have wide feet as it is and stuff, and I like a little bit loose my shoes. But if you go true to size on shoes, like these will be too tight for you. So I recommend going at least half size or even full size up in these. But anyways, these are one of these slide boxes, so you gotta love that. Got the nice gray paper. These are beautiful in hand, man. Beautiful in hand with the hot pink laces. And shout out to Nike with an extra set of laces on these black laces, just in case, because the pink is very loud. Anyway, these shoes, absolutely crazy. You know, I absolutely love these. You know, like what drew me into these back in the day, just the colors. Like some of my favorite colors ever are these South Beach colors and Miami Vice and all that. And I need to get actually some of the Miami Heat jerseys when they did those Miami Vice years, and like it's got a great color palette. It's got blacks, it's got this beautiful hot pink, the turquoise. It just represents South Beach. If you've ever been to Miami and South Beach, very vibrant, you know, very cultural, and that's why we love it so much. And he, obviously LeBron went there to Miami after being in Cleveland for a while. So they have a really cool material in them, the same material that are in Air Maxes. So obviously pretty comfortable, and they work really well. And these you could probably play basketball in these. I wouldn't personally, but in general, if like you're actually looking to hoop and stuff, I definitely wouldn't hoop in these. That's what kind of made it harder for me, like to grab bronze, because I have a big foot and guys want to hoop in bronze. So they're generally hard to get. Yeah, I'll give you a little breakdown of the shoe. Like I said, the pink lace is hot pink. The tongue is mesh. So if you're wondering, it's a beautiful, very comfortable mesh. And then if you go all the way to the actual tongue, it's got the classic lion with the eyes pink and around it. And the back of the tongue does say designed and engineered to the exact specifications of Mr. LeBron James A2A. Just letting you know right off the bat here, the quality on this is really good. It's really good. Just like the Hardwood Classics. Go check out their review, by the way. It'll be down in the description. LeBron 8 Hardwood Classic, the other pair I picked up. Right now, actually underneath the tongue, it does say James, and it'll say LeBron on the other one. The Nike swoosh is kind of iridescent here. You can't really see it, but it is here on the camera. Little spots of air units here, just for air breathability. and the whole air unit right here, that fly wire technology right there and stuff. And it actually does say it on this side, it says fly wire with the little black line, with the pink lines and black outside of it. And on the other side, forgot the Nike swoosh in that classic LeBron 8 form. And on the back, my favorite part, because I see it in my, obviously my drop down boxes, it has LeBron's signature and the pink Nike logo, both of them in pink there. If you were a sneakerhead back when I grew up, early 2010s, Nike basketball was popping, you know, the Kobe's, the KD, early KDs, the bronze, like, you know what I mean, these were big, you know what I mean, and these were big shoes, and they were just hot at the time. I don't have a pair of Kobe's, but I would love a pair of them, and these were perfect for that. It's a great time. I hope they come back. Hopefully the kids nowadays can really appreciate these for what they are. These mean a lot to me. These were made actually October 28th production to January 7th of this year, so a while ago. Like I said, the air unit on both sides here, and then the outsole, one of my favorite parts. It's kind of got the turquoise hints there with the line, which is on the tongue, and that nice boost, almost like material with the beady white eyes. But yeah, these are the LeBron 8 South Beaches, my my grail. You know, it's an amazing, absolutely amazing shoe. I love it, and it's actually like, it's almost has me speechless, like to have it. It's hard to even talk about it, but it is awesome to have. I'm so grateful for it, especially getting for retail. You know, before I can't get these things and it's gonna be way too expensive, I'm like, I should probably, you know, buy them soon. Like, I didn't want to spend $600+ and stuff. Yeah, let us know down in the comments if you like these and stuff. We will have it on feed at the end of the video, so stick around after the outro and stuff. You'll be able to see all of that good stuff. And yeah, sneaker content is back on the channel, so if you have any sneakers that you'd like me to keep my eye on and stuff, I would love the Air Jordan 4 Lightning. Took an out today, but I'm hoping I can catch a restock. You know what, to help the channel, if you consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribing, turn the post notification bell right here. It notifies you whatever videos we're uploading. We upload almost every day, so that helps us a ton. Cannot stress that enough. But anyways, guys, we appreciate you for watching the videos. This was my review of LeBron 8 South Beach, baby, the retro version. And also stay tuned after this to see the on feet. We're signing off.